Yes, students, today our next new chapter is perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So here today we are going to discuss about perimeter and area. In the previous class also we learn about perimeter and area. So what is a perimeter and what is the area? So here the difference we are going to discuss in this chapter, and also we are going to find the perimeter of a closed figures and area of a closed figures. Okay, so that we are going to learn in this chapter. See here, so in this chapter, what concepts we are going to discuss? What concepts we are going to discuss? See here, the first concept, say in this perimeter of a rectilinear figures. So what rectilinear? So what is rectilinear figure? So this also we discussed in earlier classes. So again we recapitulate what is meant by rectilinear figures. Okay. So it means in this chapter we are going to discuss about the perimeter of a rectilinear figures. The second concept, the area of a rectilinear figures, the area. So one is perimeter, the first concept perimeter of a rectilinear figure, and second one is a area of a rectilinear figure. So then the third concept is, what is the third concept here? Area of irregular figures. If irregular figures are given, then how to find perimeter area. So here only area. Irregular figures area, how to find? If regular means it is a circle, it is a square, it is a rectangle, it is a parallelogram. So then these are all regular. So irregular means it is in zigzag way. Then if it is in zigzag way, then how to find the areas of that irregular figures, that we are going to discuss. Total 3 concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter. The first concept is the perimeter of a rectilinear figures, and the second one is area of a rectilinear figures, and the third one area of a irregular figures. See here. So these are the concepts, the 3 concepts we are going to discuss. Now, so we recapitulate about what is the rectilinear figures. What is mean by rectilinear figures? See here. Here the definition is given. So in the review exercise, so what we discussed in earlier classes, in the review exercise, so what is given? A plane figure bounded by line segment is called a rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figures are bounded by a straight line, bounded with straight lines. So bounded with straight line. If any geometrical closed figure is there, it is bounded with straight lines, then that is a rectilinear figures. Bounded with a straight lines, not curved lines. If it is bounded with a curved line, then that is not a rectilinear figure. Okay. Now here a triangle, a quadrilateral, and a hexagon, a pentagon, a octagon, nonagon, decagon, all these are rectilinear figures. Why all these are rectilinear figures? Because all these geometrical figures are bounded with a straight lines, So all polygons are rectilinear figures. Because all polygons are bounded with a straight lines. Okay. Now the third, circle is not a rectilinear figure. Why? It is a curved path. Circle is a curved path. So if circle is a curved path, so that is why circle is not a rectilinear figure. Only the rectilinear figures are all polygons. Either it is a square, either it is a rhombus, either it is a quadrilateral, either it is a triangles, whatever. All these polygons are rectilinear figures. This is about rectilinear figures. Okay. Rectilinear. Here some closed geometrical figures are given. So in this closed geometrical figure, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 closed geometrical figures are given. So in this 4 geometrical figure, we should identify. So which one is a rectilinear figure. Which one is a rectilinear figure? So that we should find first. Here see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 sides, bonded with 6 sides means 6 straight lines. This is one straight line, this is another straight line, this is another straight line, this is another straight line, another straight line, another straight line. So this polygon, this is a polygon, 6 sided polygon. So this is hexagon. Hexagon bonded with a, line segment. So this is bonded with line segment. How many line segments are there here? 6 line segments. This is first line segment, second line segment, third line segment, fourth line segment, fifth line segment and sixth line segments. So here total 6 line segments are there. So this hexagon, so bonded with 6 closed means 6 line segments, bonded with 6 line segments. So if any geometrical closed figure bonded with the line segments, then that is a rectilinear figure. So this one is S. The answer here is S. This is a rectilinear figure. Why? So this is bonded with straight lines, 6 straight lines. Here this is a circle. Actually this is a circle. So it looks like oval shape. Ovals also not rectilinear. So circle is also it is not a rectilinear. It is not a rectilinear. Why? Because it is not bonded with a straight line. It is not bonded with a straight line. So these are curve path. It is a curve path. Circle is having curve path. So that is not a rectilinear. So this circle is not a rectilinear. Answer is no. Circle is not a rectilinear. Now here, so this is 3-sided closed geometrical figure. 3-sided. 3 sides we have. How many sides we have? 3 sides. First side, second side and third side. 3-sided closed geometrical figure. So 3-sided closed geometrical figure. Here 3 straight lines we have. So it is a triangle. Triangle is a rectilinear. Triangle is a rectilinear. This is S. The next one, rectangle. Rectangle is bonded with 4 line segment. This is first line segment, second line segment, third line segment and fourth line segment. The rectangle is bonded with 4 line segments. So if that is closed with the 4 line segments, so it is a rectilinear. So the rectangle is a rectilinear figure. So the sides, the polygons are rectilinear and the circle, it is not a rectilinear. So this is actually rectilinear means, understand? So rectilinear means the closed geometrical figure, so which are bonded with the straight lines means line segments. So they are rectilinear figures. If they are bonded with the curved lines, they are not rectilinear figures. Okay, this is the difference between rectilinear and non-rectilinear figures. Okay, students. Okay. Students, see here. So let's understand. So in this, so we are going to understand what is the perimeter. What is actually perimeter means. See here in the picture, one caterpillar is given. So caterpillar, it walks edges of this table. So it walks edges of the table. Its starting point is A and it's slowly moving edges of the table and it's come back to the starting point. Come back to the starting point A. So what is the starting point? So the starting point is A given there, C. So from there the caterpillar starts walking. How it starts walking? It walks edges of the table. So total that edges arrows are given. So along that arrows it walks. So and it reaches again at starting point. So then total how much distance it walks, that is nothing but perimeter of that table. Perimeter of that table. So what is actual perimeter means? See here definition. The length around the figure. The length around the figure. So here the table length around it. So whatever the length of this table around it, that is the perimeter. That is the perimeter of the table. Perimeter of that table. So or otherwise we can call it as shape is perimeter of length around the figure or shape. Here the shape is rectangular shape. So we can call it as perimeter of a rectangle, if instead of the perimeter, if table is in circular shape, say that is a perimeter of circle, okay, around a figure or shape, so that is nothing but our perimeter. The length around a figure or a shape, so that is the perimeter of that object or that figure. Or otherwise, one more definition we can say, so the distance around the figure is called the perimeter. The distance, whatever the distance is there around the figure or shape, that is the perimeter. So we have two definitions. So one of the definition for perimeter is the length around a figure, the length, whatever the length is there around a figure, so that is our shape, so that is a perimeter. Or otherwise, the distance around a figure, the distance around a figure, so that is the perimeter, that is the perimeter. Here caterpillar it walks from point A and it's moving, so edges of a table, so and again it reaches at starting point, that is A. So how much distance it covers on a table, so that is the perimeter of a table, the perimeter of a table. Here the important thing is edges of the table. It should walk edges of the table, not in the middle, edges of the table. So the length of edges of the table, the total distance of these edges of the table, that is the perimeter of the table. Okay, okay students. So now the students see here, so in examples, so we have to find the perimeter of triangle MNO and ABCD quadrilateral. So this triangle and quadrilateral perimeter we have to find. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the sides. So we have to add all the sides, we have to add the length of all the sides of a polygon, and after that if centimeter is given, so we should write centimeters. If meters are given, then we should write meters, and in kilometers, then kilometers. Whatever the distance, whatever the length is given, that length units we should write. Okay. See here. Here in example 1, a triangle MNO has MN length is given, this MN side length is 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, and NO side is given. What is NO? NO side is 4 centimeters, and after that OM side is given. So what is OM? OM is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So these are the sides given, sides measurements given, sides length given. Then we should find the perimeter of the triangle. So then, so what is the solution here? Triangle MNO perimeter is equal to sum of 3 sides, sum of 3 sides, sum of 3 sides. So what are the sides here? The first side is MN, the second side plus the second side is NO, and the third side is OM. MN, NO and OM. So these are the 3 sides, these 3 sides lengths we should add. Then MN length is 3 centimeters, NO length is 4 centimeters, OM length is 5 centimeters. So all these 3 sides we should add. So then what is our sum? 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12 centimeters. This is our triangle MNO perimeter. MNO perimeter. Perimeter means all the sides length we should add, then you will get perimeter. Perimeter of the rectilinear figure. So triangle is a rectilinear figure. So add all the 3 sides in triangle. So in the next one, quadrilateral. So what is given here? Here 4-sided polygon. 4-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. So it means we should find quadrilateral ABCD perimeter. Quadrilateral ABCD perimeter. So in this quadrilateral ABCD, AB length is given. So this AB side length is given, that is 2 centimeters. Next BC side is given. BC side length is 5 centimeters. Next, CD side length is given. CD side length is 3 centimeters. Next, DA side length is given. So that is 4 centimeters. So these are the lengths of a quadrilateral. So then we should find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the 4 sides. So quadrilateral ABCD perimeter is equal to sum of 4 sides. Sum of 4 sides. Sum of 4 sides we should add. So what are the 4 sides? That is AB side plus BC side plus CD side plus DA side. AB, BC, CD and DA. AB side is 2 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters. CD is 3 centimeters. DA is 4 centimeters. Now add all the 4 sides. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. This quadrilateral is a rectilinear figure. So it is enclosed with a straight lines or line segments. So that is why this quadrilateral is a rectilinear figure. So sum of 4 sides, adding 4 sides you will get the perimeter of a rectilinear figure, that is a quadrilateral. Okay. Yes friends, now see here. So in example 3, find the perimeter of the following figures. So here in figure A and figure B. So here in figure A we have 5 sides. So this figure is enclosed with line segments, and this also enclosed with line segments. So these two figures are enclosed with line segments. So these two figures are rectilinear figures. Rectilinear figures. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 line segments we have. So here how many line segments we have? Once you count, this is first line segment, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 line segments we have. So these 2 line segments, 5 line segments and 5 line segments. It means for finding perimeter, we should add all the line segments length. Then you will get perimeter of that closed rectilinear figure. Okay. In the first A, question A means this one. A perimeter is equal to, first add all the sides, that is starts from 3 centimeters, and after that this 3 is over, then after that 4 centimeters, then after that again 4 centimeters, and after that 3 centimeters, and after that 2 centimeters. 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 centimeters. Now add 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 2, 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. This is our first picture perimeter. Then second picture perimeter, that is B. B perimeter. B perimeter, here also we should add all 5 sides. So the first line segment is 5 centimeters length. The second line segment is 3 centimeters, and the third line segment is 1 centimeter. Fourth line segment is 1 centimeter, and the fifth line segment is 3 centimeters. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 centimeters. So perimeter, second perimeter, so this is 13 centimeters. Okay. So now next, so we are going to discuss about how to find perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. So when perimeter means, so we should add all four sides. Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to, we should add all four sides, that is AB side, AB plus next BC plus again CD plus again DA. Here in rectangle opposite sides are parallel and equal, means AB length is equal to CD length, both are same, means we should take AB as it is plus BC as it is. Instead of this CD we can take AB. Why? Both are same, we can take AB. Then instead of DA we can write CB. So BA and CB are same, DA and CB are same. Instead of this DA we can take CB or BC. Now how many ABs we have? AB plus AB means 2AB, and BC plus BC, how many BCs? 2BC. It means 2 into AB plus BC. 2 into AB is, what is our AB? AB is length and BC is the breadth. 2 into length into breadth. Okay, this is rectangle perimeter. Rectangle perimeter area is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This you should remember. Rectangle perimeter, that is, this is our rectangle perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is our rectangle perimeter. This is length, 2 times length and breadth. Now, so perimeter of a square. So what is perimeter of a square? See here. Perimeter of a square, in perimeter of a square again we should add 4 sides. Square perimeter. Square. Here also add all 4 sides. PQ side, QR side, RS side, SP side. In square we know all 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal in length. So if all are equal means PQ as it is. So PQ length is QR length. Instead of QR we can take PQ. Why? Because both the lengths are same. So for RS we can take PQ, and for SP also we can take PQ. How many times PQ is there? 4 times. 4 times PQ. PQ plus PQ plus PQ plus PQ. 4 times. It means 4 into side. 4 into side. 4 into PQ is a side. PQ is a side. Then square perimeter. Square perimeter is 4 into side. 4 into side. So direct formula is there. No need to add all 4 sides. PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay, just 4 into side, multiply with 4. If you know one side, then that side you should multiply with 4, then you will get perimeter of a square. Okay, no need to write again and again. This is the short formula. In rectangle also, rectangle perimeter means 2 times length plus breadth. First we add length and breadth, and that we should multiply with 2, then you will get perimeter of a rectangle. These 2 formulas you should remember. Okay students. Now students, see here in example first. So in this, find the perimeter of a rectangle. Length is given 14 meters and breadth is given 8 meters. First you draw rectangle. So this is rectangle. So in this rectangle, length is given. Length L is 14 meters and breadth is given 8 meters. 8 meters. M means meters. So then we should find perimeter. So here given rectangle length, that is L is 14 meters, length is 14 meters, breadth is given, that is 8 meters. Now, so we should find perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 times means 2 into length plus breadth, 2 times length and breadth, 2 times, what is the length here? Length is 14 meters and breadth is 8 meters, here meters given, not centimeters. So now 2 into 14 plus 8, that is 22 meters, 2 times 22 means that is 44 meters. This is our perimeter of this rectangle. So in this way we should find perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Next, in the second example, find the perimeter of a square pack of each side. One square pack is given, so that square pack side is given, that is 60 meters. If side is 60 meters, then what is the perimeter? Side is given 60 meters. See here, square pack. So this is a square pack. This square pack side is given. Side means take S. S is equal to 60 meters. Side is 60 meters. Then find perimeter of a square. Here given square pack side, that is 60 meters. Now what we should find? We should find perimeter, square pack perimeter. Square pack perimeter means that formula is square pack perimeter means that is 4 times side. 4 times. What is the side here? Side is 60 meters. 4 times 60. Then how to multiply? See here, 4 6 we should multiply 4 with 6. 4 6 24. And here 1 0 is left, that 0 we have to write. That is 240 meters. This is square pack perimeter. Okay.